Hello everyone, this is week number 6 and we are wrapping up with the plagiarism project, and I know there are a lot of people that are sending me emails with late submissions, and I will get to that after we start this group project week. Now this week, as you will notice if you click on week number 6, you do have various things that you need to do. This week you're going to be starting to work together with 2 other people. I've made 7 groups of 3 people each, and you should see that in the assignment below, and I'll show you again. It's also in the announcements. But you need to email and work with those other 2 people in your group for this final project. And what you're going to be doing essentially is creating a movie of a PowerPoint, researching a topic related to the readings that we have been reading about this term. Hopefully springing off of that with some kind of a related topic, not going over the same material that they talked about in those readings, but you need to choose a topic with your group, and that's what you need to post up to the discussion board this week. So the assignments are, please read these 3 readings here, watch these movies, okay, and this is creating a movie on the Mac, and on a PC, how to do that. You're going to be reading and posting on the discussion board again on Friday, and then responding to your peer by Sunday night. And then read this assignment description, the group project. This basically goes over the whole thing. Let me open this up real quick for you. Here's the group project, and it's done in 6 stages, as you see. You're going to post your topic to the discussion feed. You're going to be having another tutorial with me with your group just to go over the progress that you're making and making sure that everybody has a specific task that they're working on. Submitting your script and outline, and I'll show you how to do that. And then also narrating in your PowerPoint, making the video, submitting it, and then posting it up to your u.osu.edu site, hopefully embedding it in the page, which is the best way. So it says here to get together with 3 or more of your peers, selecting a topic, choose a topic of high interest to international students. Here it is giving advice on common problems such as making friends or cultural adaptations. Your group can even target specific questions that might highly be relevant to international undergraduates studying at OSU. So you want to elaborate on those problems. They give you some suggestions here, but also you can also do topics related to these readings, okay? You should make sure here the important things to consider, and I need to approve this topic, by the way, before you guys actually start, so I will give you approval. And I don't want 2 groups doing the same thing either. You have to divide the work among your group members, paraphrase and quote information, make sure you take note of all of the websites that you go to. That's your source. Citing information for all of the borrowed information, paraphrased and quoted, photos, images, everything. Here, with your group, you're going to be designing the slides. You're going to be making the video. Each member should have a chance to narrate their portion of it, of the video. And all of the members' names should be on it. Keep track of the sources. Each group should provide a link on your u.osu.edu site. It should be called Group Project, a separate page there. And then you're going to be going to the other group's movies and putting comments on those. Okay? So that's basically what this is all about. Now, let's go to that. Now we're going to that topic of where you pick a topic with your group. And if you click on this link, this goes to a discussion board. Hopefully, there we go. And it does say, here's what you need to do. So only one person from the group really needs to post the topic here, okay? And to make sure that you put your group name, the title of the post, all of the people and the names of the people in the group need to be on there. And for example, here's group 1 and the topic, Gary, Mary, and Larry. And based on the articles that we have read in this class, or those new topics for new international students would be okay as well. You can, let's see here, submitting topic. And I've changed the due date of this to November 21st, okay? So I'm giving you an extra day on this. Here are all the names of your guys' groups, group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are the people you need to work with. You can find their names if you go to the people section of your Carmen pages, and your students, all of the students, mine might look a little different from yours, but you should have lists of all the students plus my name. And if you click on their name, you should be able to get to, like here, Tao Feng, and over here on the corner, I can email with this little envelope here. So you can email them and you have contact information via Carmen, okay? So that's how you will get in touch with your group. Please make sure you pick a topic and post that by Wednesday night. Okay, so a little bit later, I am going to put another video here for to give you some more advice on how to do this. I will go into the template for the outline and the script, but for right now, please communicate with your group members and pick a topic, okay? And I'll leave it at that. So stay in touch, and I will put this video and another video up, and any videos that are necessary up on that front page of Carmen, which is right here. All of these links will be under week number 6, okay? So please look at that and stay up to date and stay in touch this week. I will post probably another video later today here. All right, take care.